The question is, sum of two natural numbers is 8 and the sum of their reciprocals is 8 by 15, then the numbers are. So let us assume the natural numbers as x and y. So we say, let the natural numbers, the required natural numbers be, say, x and y. Now the first condition is the sum of the two natural numbers is 8. So if we use the first given condition, now the first condition is the sum of these two numbers, that is x plus y, is equal to 8. So we have a first equation, and the second condition is the sum of their reciprocals is 8 by 15. So the second condition is sum of their reciprocals, that is 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 8 upon 15. Let us call this as 2. We try and simplify these equations. Let us equalize the denominators here. So if we multiply y into 1, so that becomes y, plus x times 1, that is x, divided by x into y is equal to 8 upon 15. Now in the numerator we have x plus y, if you observe, and we know the total of x and y. So x plus y is 8, so this could be replaced by 8. So we could say 8 upon xy is equal to 8 upon 15. So we have replaced this value, x plus y, this value is 8, from equation 1. Now if you observe, 8 gets cancelled on both sides, right? So we could cross out 8 over here and we could cross out 8 over here. So we have 1 upon xy equal to 1 upon 15. I'll write it on the next page. So we have 1 upon xy is equal to 1 upon 15. Now if we take the reciprocals on both sides, we get x into y is equal to 15. Now this could be further written as x times. Now the value of y could be obtained from equation 1 over here. Y could be replaced by 8 minus x. So from equation 1 we replace y by 8 minus x. So we remove this y and we put 8 minus x equal to 15. Now this we have obtained using equation 1. Now we just open up the brackets here. So we have 8x minus x square equal to 15. Now if we simplify this, or rather we rearrange this first, we obtain x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation. Now we could factorize this by splitting the middle term. Now 5 times 3 is 15, and 5 and 3, negative 5, negative 3 gives negative 8. So this could be factorized as x minus 3 into x minus 5 equal to 0. So we obtain x minus 3 equal to 0, or x minus 5 equal to 0. So we have x equal to 3, or we could say x is equal to 5. So we have obtained two values for x. Hence we have two values for y. Let's see that. So the first case is when x is equal to 3. Now we know that y is 8 minus x, right, from equation 1. So we obtain the value for y as 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. And second case is at x equal to 5, the value for y would be 8 minus x, that is 8 minus 5, which is equal to 3. So finally we could say the required numbers are, so the required numbers are 3 and 5. And if you look at the options, okay, the option is A. So the required numbers are 3 and 5. Now the question is, the sum of two numbers is 52 and their difference is 2. Then the numbers are. So suppose we assume the required numbers to be x and y. So let the required numbers be x and y. Now the first condition here is the sum of two numbers is 52. So if we apply the first condition, the first given condition, we obtain the equation, the sum of the two numbers, that is x plus y, is equal to 52. So this is equation number 1. And the second condition here is the difference between the two is 2, that is x minus y is equal to 2. So this is equation number 2. So let us assume that x is greater than y. So hence x minus y will be positive 2. Now if we solve the two equations simultaneously, we could easily obtain the two numbers x and y. So what we do is we add the two equations. So we add equations 1 and 2. So we get x plus y equal to 52, x minus y equal to 2. Now if we add them, now y gets cancelled, right? Positive y and negative y. Now x plus x, this becomes 2x, and 52 plus 2, that is 54. So from here we could get the value for x. So x is 54 divided by 2, so that is 27. Now we substitute this value, that is value for x, in equation 1 or in equation 2. Let us use equation 1. So we could say from equation 1, x plus y, that is 27, plus y is equal to 52. So from here we obtain the value for y as 52 minus 27. So that would give us 25. So the required numbers are 27 and 25. So the answer is option C.